So how to set up a direct debit on Barclays. Now there's two ways you can set up a direct debit on Barclays. The first one is you'll need to give your sort code and account number to the person you're setting up a direct debit with. So for example, if it's a gym membership or any other type of subscription, if you give your sort code and account number to the company you want to set up a direct debit for, they usually can set up the direct debit on your behalf. However, you can also do it manually by setting up a standing order. So if you click through to the account you want to set up a direct debit with, click through to manage, and then click through to scheduled payments, you'll get a list of all the direct debits that are associated with your Barclays account. So to manually add a new one, you'll just want to click on standing order, and then once you've done that, you'll be pulled through to this page here, and then you can simply fill out the details and you can set up the direct debit that way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.